Long ago when she was 6 was when she learned to kiss and learned to please a man against her will. He used to come in the house running fingers through her blouse. They lived up north but he was reaching for her.
Hi babes, to start I'm just going to apply some castor oil on my lips, and this one I'm using is from Premium Nature. I'm just doing this because my lips have been really dry lately. So this is going to sit on my lips until I'm ready for lipstick. Now we are doing makeup today using only one palette, and that's the BH Cosmetics Party Girl palette. I feel like a lot of people have this palette. I don't know why I feel that way, but let me know in the comments if you have the BH Cosmetics Party Girl palette. I've had a lot of people request for me to do eyeshadow looks with more affordable brand makeup. So this one is probably one of the most affordable makeup palettes in my collection, and this is the only palette we're going to be using today to create this goodness right here. I've already done my eyebrows, of course, and the left side of my eye makeup. So we are going to tackle on this right side. If you like to see how I do my eyebrows, I have 2 different eyebrow tutorial videos linked down below for you, and let's get into this juiciness.
Alright, so I'm starting with this shade right here, which is sort of like a vanilla champagne sort of shade. So it's not it has some shimmer in it, which I really did not like so much for my crease transition. So I am going to go over that with this red shade from the palette, and you guys know I love the shade. It's my favorite for transition, especially when I want my transition to be like warmer. So I'm just shading that red over the first vanilla champagne shade that I shaded before. I'm sorry, I'm really bad with colors and shades, and I call them what I think that they are. So vanilla champagne can work. So the red is going over that, and I'm just working back and forth. Now I'm taking this flat brush from the Zaron Professional Brush Palette, and I'm using that to, oh, I'm sorry, this is a smaller blending brush from the Zaron palette, and I'm using that to apply that bronzy shade from the palette. Remember, we're using only this one palette for the entire look. So I'm just shading that in the outer corner of my eye and in the inner corner. Not so worried about the center part of the lid because the yellow is going to go right there. So I'm blending this back and forth. Now I'm using a flat shader brush and I'm just pressing that yellow on. If you have this BH Cosmetics Party Girl palette, you'll find that these shades are not, especially the yellow, sometimes it can feel chalky, like powdery, and it doesn't really stay on if you don't pack it on. So I'm really packing it on, and my application motion is just pressing it on instead of spreading it back and forth. Now I'm just going over with my blending brush from Zaron again, and I'm just blending into that crease to wipe out any yellow that might have gone there. Now I'm taking this brush from Gifter's Daughter, and back to that vanilla champagne shade that we started with, I'm just applying this under my eyebrows as a highlight, and this just really ties the entire look together. With the black in the palette, I am going in the outermost corner of my eye, sort of like I'm doing a wing liner with the eyeshadow, but not completely. So I kind of spread it out and then I'm buffing it back inwards, but not trying to cover the bronzy shade that we used before. Now I'm just really blending that softly towards the inner corner of my eye, and I'm buffing the shade again with my blending brush really softly just to get the shadow to blend smoother. Now I am working in the inner corner of my eye and using that same vanilla champagne shade. And I think I actually wet my brush before going in there. Now I am working with that red shade that we used in the transition before, and I'm just applying this in the lower lash line, not to make it too dark or anything, but just to warm up that area with the shadow. Now I am working with my liner from Zaron, and this is the liquid liner from Zaron. I'm just dotting my lower lash line. I learned this from Makeup Sheila, and it works fantastic to make your lower lashes appear fuller when you use your mascara. So if you try this, please let me know in the comments if it worked for you, if you liked it. I'm also just doing a regular wing, nothing too serious. And I think a liner on this look really brings all those colors together and really makes the look pop, and I love it. I'm also doing my favorite thing to do with liner, which is lining in the innermost corner of my eye and pulling it downwards. It kind of really helps my eye look cat-eye-ly. Does that make any sense? And that's the finished look.
Alright babes, I have my lashes on now, but let's not even talk about the lashes because it's a long story, but let's just appreciate the fact that I have lashes on today. I don't want to tell you what happened, but I have lashes on today. If it looks awkward, that's because it is awkward. So we're just going to manage that for now, but this is the final look. We're just going to do my lips. I'm just going to do my lips really quickly. So I'm taking the Nabi lip pencil. This is Hot Pink by Nabi, and initially I had already applied the Zaron Luxurious Lip Gloss in Vamped. I always use this lip gloss. I don't think I have a day where I don't have this lip gloss on. So that lip gloss is on my lip right now. I'm just going to define my lips a little bit with this Hot Pink from Nabi.
They don't teach you this in school, you might as well learn from me. It's cool, I tell you the truth, I don't run from it. No one told you you was beautiful, and if ever they said it, they just wanted something more. It's why you always give it up with ease, always trying to please constantly.
Next, I'm taking the Zaron matte lipstick in Butterscotch. I feel like this lip combo is what I always do.
Don't let them tell you who you are. They usually cannot perceive your essence, you a star. So let the memories of your dark past take you back in class.
Nabi lip pencil in Plush Red.
That's what I told myself when I picked me up off the floor and got on the mic just to show y'all niggas I could flow. Now what's the rap game without Miss E? It's like
And for contouring and highlighting the rest of my face, to start, I'm just going to spray my face with the Zaron Perfect Finish Spray. This is like 10 fan brushes put together. It's really, it's sturdier than a regular fan brush. I'm just going to tap that in my Zaron Face Definer in PZ05. And this highlighter right here. I feel like I always do this step. Cheeks, I'm going to take the Zaron Face Definer, which I've already used previously. I'm just going to take some more to deepen that contour. And this is the shade I'm using right here.
My skin is black. My is yellow.
one nigga, two niggas, three niggas, four niggas. Don't matter how many niggas don't fuck with ya. You're still a hoe, they say. You're still a hoe. One nigga, two niggas, three niggas, four niggas. Don't matter how many.
I'm just going to use my fingers to tap into that face definer, the highlighter that I used before. And I'm just tapping softly with my fingers, lightly with my fingers. I'm going to tap on my nose. Really on the tip of my nose. And just down the bridge. I'm using a clean finger to blend that in.
It's gonna be, hey. But she don't know that. She looks into the mirror, never likes who stares back. It's why she's on the gram, yo, looking pretty though. All dressed up and nowhere to go. Swipe, swipe, how many likes? Where's the comments? External validation, the food for her soul. I know that you judge a girl by the booty bounce, and you label her a whore by the body count. Tell me, how many men does it take to know a whore from...
Alright guys, that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I really enjoyed creating this look with just the BH Cosmetics palette. If you, did I say palette? Palette, Eva. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, please let me know in the comments below what other looks you'd like for me to create. Also, I could totally just keep on using this palette for the rest of the week. Now that would be too boring. But if you would like for me to use this palette again, let me know in the comments below. I will be posting videos every day for the rest of this week. I hope you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss a video upload. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your time. I appreciate it. Bye.
Said it, they just wanted something more. It's why you always give it up with ease, always trying to please, constantly looking for love in all the wrong places, judging men by their faces, and all it takes is a little.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you wouldn't know when I upload a new video. Please subscribe so that you don't miss my new uploads. Thank you. Bye.